Hey everyone, it's Colby with Resound, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take an AAF file from Resound and import it into Logic Pro X. So, how do you do this? First thing you want to do is in Resound, upload a file, process it, review your edits, and then export. Select AAF, export that file. I've already done this. So then you're going to go into Logic, and you'll select File, Import AAF. Select the AAF file, and you'll see it gives you a folder with an AAF and a WAV file. In some cases, right now, you might have to link up that WAV file whenever it prompts you. So just select that and click Enter. And then you'll see that your content is in here. You can see an edit point anytime you accepted an edit. And that means that there's content been removed at that point. And so if I actually zoom in here, you should see some extra content when I stretch out. This is actually the right here. And so, yeah, your content's there non-destructively. You can continue to make these fine tunes to the edits inside of Logic, your favorite tool. And yeah, it makes it just kind of convenient to work in your environment. So if you have any questions or issues, please reach out to us in the chat bubble on the website. And otherwise, have a great day.